In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set annual leave in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Zoho People account, and you are on the main dashboard. We are going to create an annual leave policy by using the leave tracker settings. This is where you define how many days employees receive, what the leave is called, and the time period when it is valid. First, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Settings. This area controls the rules and configurations for your organization, so take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account before you continue. Next, in the Settings options, select Leave Tracker. This section contains the tools for managing leave types, policies, approvals, and balances. Once you are inside Leave Tracker, click Leave Policy. The Leave Policy page is where you create and manage the policies that determine leave entitlements. Now, click the option to add a new leave policy, shown as +Add Leave Policy. This starts the policy setup process. When Zoho People asks what type of policy you want to create, choose Fixed Entitlement, and then click Next. Fixed entitlement is used when you want each eligible employee to receive a set number of leave days for a defined period. You will now name the policy. Enter Annual Leave as the name. Keep the name clear and consistent, because this is what employees and managers will see in leave requests and reports. After that, set your code, type, and units. The code is usually a short label used for quick identification. The type defines the category of leave, and units determines how the leave is counted, such as days. Use a format that matches your company's standards so reporting stays tidy. Next, select your entitlement, meaning the number of days you want to assign for annual leave. Enter the correct value based on your organization's policy. Then add the valid date and the expire on date. These dates control when the annual leave policy starts and when it ends. Choosing the right range is important for correct leave balance calculations, especially if you renew entitlements yearly. Finally, click Submit to save the policy. After submitting, it is a good idea to quickly review the saved policy details to confirm everything looks correct. And that is all there is to it.